What is UAE Pass? UAE Pass is a secure digital mechanism made for the convenience of residents, citizens, and tourists. It is a simple application which acts as your digital wallet. It contains all the important information and documents, for example, your visa, Emirates ID, driver's license, title deed, so on and so forth. You can not only sign verified documents, but you could also request for certain services that you require both from federal and government entities. The best part is it's not particular to that emirate that you are living in. You could use for the entire country. So all the emirates are integrated in that particular application. Absolutely must have application for you. In case you need any information, drop me a DM or email me at zebamajithia@gmail.com and I will be happy to assist you.